Drowning in Kvcore email campaigns, let's throw you a lifeline and show you how to take control. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Smart Campaigns. This is where the magic, or sometimes the madness, happens with your automated emails. You'll see a list of your campaigns. To pause or stop a campaign entirely, locate the specific campaign you want to disable. Click on the three dots, also known as the ellipsis, on the far right side of the campaign row. This will open a small action menu. In the action menu, select Deactivate. This will immediately stop the campaign from sending any further emails. A confirmation window will appear. Simply click Deactivate to confirm that you want to stop the campaign. To unsubscribe a specific lead, go to your Smart CRM, find the lead and click on their profile. In the lead profile, click the three dots on the right-hand side and select Unsubscribe. Click on Unsubscribe. You will be prompted with a confirmation to complete unsubscribing the lead. And that's it. You're now in control of your Kvcore email campaigns. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.